Hi, my name's Zoe Lyn. My mom said that her car was shaking. So we scanned it for codes, and the PO number was PO303. My number 3 misfired. My dad said we might need a coil. So we went to the internet and saw that we need the number 3 coil. Now we're gonna put in the number 3 coil. Hi, we're back at the car with Zoe Lyn. We have to remove the number 3 coil. First, we have to remove the cover. Like that. Then, we have to take our 30 torque and take it out. Now you have to unplug the plug. It's unplugged. Now that the bolt is out and the plug is unplugged, you should be able to remove the coil. Now you need to get a new coil. My dad has a good used coil. Let's go get it. It's this one right here. First, remove the bolt. It's out. And then you have to unplug the plug. And now you have it. Now we're going to put in the bolt. You have to put it down here. And we already put in the plug. Now you put back on the cover. Now to check if it worked. No more shaking. And no more check engine light. That's how you fix a coil. Thanks for watching. Bye.